Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to present to you the pre-order bonuses that you receive if you pre-order Cyberpunk 2077. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. As you all know, Cyberpunk is launching this Thursday on December the 10th on PS4, Xbox One and PC. And it will also be playable on the PS5 and Xbox Series X or S. So, what you receive if you actually pre-order the game is the original score, art booklet featuring a selection of art from the game, digital comic, Cyberpunk 2077, Your Voice, Cyberpunk 2020 sourcebook, and wallpapers for desktop and mobile. That's what the game, that's what you receive. If you buy the game on GOG.com, which is the creator's website, creator's platform, you also receive a print quality Cyberpunk 2077 poster, exclusive digital comic Cyberpunk 2077 Big City Dreams, additional set of wallpapers and avatars. Also, if you get the physical copy of the game, it will also include some extra goodies such as Night City postcards, a world compendium, stickers, and a map of Night City. And if you choose to buy the collector's edition, you'll also receive some goodies, but that will cost you $250 instead of the $60 price tag of the regular digital copy of the game. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you understood what you can receive if you buy the Cyberpunk 2077 pre-order. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.